Hey guys, back again with another video, and this time I am going to do a review of this Coach Signature Jumbo Floral Small Zip Around Wallet. And I purchased this off of the coachoutlet.com, and I actually was surprised to see this on here because I think this style is like a older style or whatever, but this is in the color khaki and oxblood, and then it has the little floral thingies on here, and I do have a tote to match this wallet, so I forgot to include this in my SLG video also, so that's why I'm doing this video. So here it is. Here's the front part of it, and then here is the back. Y'all, these roses are so cute, and it does have a pocket on the back. So here is the interior, which is the oxblood color. So you have two slots here, and then you have an opening right there, and then you have an opening here and an opening there, and then you have your regular opening for your dollar bills or whatever, your money and stuff. So yeah, y'all, this is super duper cute. Now, like I said, I do have the tote to match this one, and that's just their care card, but it's just a simple, just a little small simple wallet, one of the Coach wallets. And I love wallets this size or whatever because they're just so cute and functional. They're very handy. So this is one of those. And then this is actually the tote that I have to go with that. And then here it is. Here's the wallet. Yeah, y'all, and I haven't even carried this yet, but this tote is reversible, and I do have a video on it or whatever, but I had just forgot to show my wallet, so I just want to show you guys my little wallet that I had. But yeah, y'all, this is called the Signature Jumbo Floral Small Zip Around, and here is the thing, if you want the number, you still can find these on like the wallet, and it's like another little pouch on like Poshmark and Macari and stuff like that, because I have seen these still around, but people be asking a nice little penny for this still. So I don't know, you may get lucky like I did and find you one. So I just want to share this with you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.